Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Boxycharm for April 2019. If you did not know, this box is $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products valued $100 or more, and then you can also earn charms, as they call them, for reviewing the products and spend those in the charm shop. This is one of my favorite boxes, so I'm excited to open it up. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty-free at the time of filming, I will put that in the description box down below, as well as breaking down the values of everything and seeing whether it's a good value or not. And I do have a giveaway going on right now, so if you are interested in that, I'll put a little card up here, and I'll also link it in the description box as well, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. Okay, let's just go ahead and see what we have in here. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks just like this. It has the little card right here that will tell us the values of everything that we're getting in here. And it has the theme this month, which is Peace, Love, and Boxy. And I'm kind of into it. It's got little cacti all over, and I live in Arizona, so I'm kind of partial to them. Okay, also, it always comes wrapped in this little, like, foam stuff, so it keeps everything nice and protected. All right, let's see what we have. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing right on top here, this is from Starlooks. This is from Starlooks. I don't know if that's gonna pick up. This is the Celestial Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. Let's see if I can get it open. Starlooks is cruelty-free, so let's just go ahead and swatch this. Whoa, I was not expecting that at all. Okay, so I don't know why, I just assume every eyeliner is gonna be black, but this is not. It is like some sort of shimmery mint sort of color, looks like. Let's go ahead. This is so light. Let's see if you guys can see that. So there it is. It looks white on camera, but it is like that little like mint sort of color. Definitely something I would probably never wear, but maybe I can incorporate it into my summer look. So I'm thinking maybe just based off this eyeliner that this is like a festival sort of box, because this screams festival to me. So, okay, and the Starlooks eyeliner is valued at $19. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is from Couture. This is the Diamond Glow Powder. It's a loose powder highlighter. It is cruelty-free. I will say that I feel like almost everything I get from Boxycharm is cruelty-free. I don't know if that's something they're trying to do, but I feel like I can't remember the last time I got something that was tested on animals in one of these boxes. So definitely if you are looking for a cruelty-free box, I think Boxycharm is one of your best bets. Okay, so this is in the shade Summer Haze, Diamond Glow Powder. I don't think I'm going to swatch this, just because I don't, I feel like I already have something very similar to this, and I don't really see myself using a loose highlighter, so I'm probably just going to go ahead and toss this into a giveaway. I feel like I have so many highlighters, and I only have so much space on my face to highlight, so this I'm just going to put into a giveaway. It does look very nice though. It would be interesting to try a loose highlight. So, giveaway for this one. And let's see, that is valued at $27. So, wow. It's a little bit expensive in my opinion for that tiny little thing, but what do I know? Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Kristofer Buckle, which is cruelty-free. So this is a Longwear lipstick in the shade Cashmere Slip. So there's the packaging, looks really nice. I've tried one thing from this brand, and it was a loose powder, I believe, and I enjoyed it. It wasn't bad. Ooh, the packaging, I really enjoy it. So it's like very geometric looking, really fun. Okay. All right, so just looking at the packaging, it's like a nude, right up my alley. Oh, I like that. So it's got a matte finish on it, but it has a cream feel, which is sort of my favorite. You get like the best of both worlds. You don't get those dried out lips, but you get that nice matte finish. So I'm really excited to get that. I feel like this is something that I will keep in my purse, like for everyday wear. So let's see. This is valued at $18. So not too bad, honestly, for a single lipstick. Excited about that. Really like the color. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is from Luxie. So this is the Summer Daze brush set. These are really cute. Okay, so they kind of have like a sunset look. So they're like orange down here and then pink at the top. There's 3 of them right there. So we have a Luxie small contouring brush. Really cute. Let's see. We have a Luxie large shader like that. And then the Luxie small shader. So I think I already have one of these that I use for like the tops of my, like when I'm wetting a brush and packing it on. So I really like this brush and I'm probably gonna keep it because I can't have too many of those. So yeah, excited about these. I love getting brushes and I do like Luxie brushes. I know they're kind of like a beauty box staple, like Luxie, you get them in like Ipsy, you get them like all the time. But I think they're good brushes and I'm not mad about it. And let's see, these are valued at $28. Okay, so the last thing I'm pulling out is a palette. So I guess maybe I was right with the festival theme. So this is a palette from Pure and it's called Festival. And it says it's a 12-piece pressed pigment palette. Oh, interesting. So I just pulled it out and out came a little sample of eyeshadow primer. So interesting. I should mention that Pure is cruelty free. I do have, I want to say I have like 4 palettes from them already. So, and I do like their shadows. I think they're pretty nice. Wows. Okay. Okay, so let's see. So it does have the mirror right here. And it says treat every day like a festival. And here are the colors. They are insane. I like this a lot because I feel like there's enough neutrals in there that you could do like a basic everyday look, but then it's got like those 2 pops of color in the middle to like sort of spice it up a little bit. And then these glitters over here are like, right here, these 2 glitter colors. Whoa, it's like legit glitter. I'm sure you can see that on my finger. I don't even know if they're gonna swatch. Okay, so yeah, I definitely think, because I'm going to show you my hand right there, they are something that you would maybe need a glitter glue for, but whoa, I really, really like those a lot. Okay, now my hand permanently has glitter on it, so that's something to think about. I'm going to go ahead and swatch just a couple of the other colors in here. Whoa, that pink is like crazy pigmented. Get one of the shimmers too. So there's like 4 of them on my hand. They're very pigmented, just with the finger swatch. I'll go ahead and do it on my arm right here. So yeah, super, super pigmented. Like I just rubbed those on my hand and they're still very pigmented on my finger. So that's another thing I guess I should mention. If you don't know, this says it is a pressed pigment palette. So there's a chance it could stain because it's like, this has stained my finger. Just because it is a pressed pigment and not an eyeshadow per se. So just keep that in mind. If you do have sensitive skin, this could potentially stain your eyelids. But if you're like me and you just cover them up every day anyway, it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, so let's see what this is valued at. This is valued at $36 for 12 shades. So you're paying $3 a shade. So not too bad. Let me go ahead and do some math real quick to get us a value on this box. Okay, so the value I have on this box is $128, so not too bad. I think I really actually like everything in here. The only reason why I'm not using the highlighters because I feel like I have too many. I mean, I probably have too many eyeshadow palettes too, but I don't have one like this, so that's why I'm really excited about this. The lip color right up my alley. I feel like I can never have too many brushes. What are your guys' thoughts on this box? I personally really like it. I think Boxycharm kills it like every month. I'm excited about this box, but I would love to know your thoughts. Did we get the same box? I'm not sure if there were variations. I feel like there is every month though, so I'm curious to know if you got something different than me. Go ahead and leave that in the comments down below. And as always, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.